today's video, we are going to bake a cake without an oven. Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Vivian here. Thank you so much guys for your continued support. I really appreciate. To my returning subscribers, thank you so much. Kwa wale wenye ndo wamejoin, you're very much welcomed. Na kama subscription button yako bado ni red, I don't know what are you waiting for? Please make sure you subscribe for amazing content. Yeah, usi miss out. So guys, in today's video, we are going to bake a cake without an oven. Yeah, so tutatumia gas to bake a cake. Yeah, welcome to my kitchen. So hizi ndo ingredients zenye tuko nazo. We have eggs, milk, baking soda, vanilla, and yeah, so we do not have everything, but we're going to use what we have. So we do not have blue band or margarine. Sasa tutatumia tu mafuta. So nitapima Sasa the wet ingredients are ready, so let's mix the dry ones.
Mixed. Say no good.
Kwani ndivyo kwa
Sawa.
Okay,
Sasa ni Chef Vivian. Burudia. Sasa ndio kusima kama kukoroga.
Haya, the dry ingredients are ready, so we're just going to mix the dry and the wet ingredients together.
Chef Vivian.
Now that our mixture is ready, as you can see, we are now moving on to the next step. So let's prepare our oven. Now ukishaeka chumvi hivi ikuwe even, sasa you arrange your spoons like this. So we want to now preheat. Sasa hii ndo oven yetu. Sasa we want to preheat, na haifai ikuwe na any holes penye like vapor inaweza tokea, so we are going to cover this part.
A few inches later.
So our oven is ready. Sasa tunataka preheat for 15 minutes. Okay, now you remember we do not have a blue band, so bado tunatumia mafuta ku prepare our baking pot. So I'm going to like just kila mahali vizuri. Very nice. So after this, tuna tengeneza hivi.
Unajua kitu unafanya?
Just to make sure that the cake doesn't stick.
Stick.
Kwa sufuria. So this is how our pot looks like. So our oven is ready.
Very nice, very nice.
So I'm going to cover it like this. And I know you're wondering mbona naeka hivi. It's because ya hii kitu. Nikifunika hivi and then nieke kwa
Endelea.
alafu nieke kwa oven haitatoshea, so that is why I'm doing like
Punguza moto.
So we are going to leave it for 1 hour and then tukuje tuangalie the progress. So stay tuned. Make sure you like this video, put down a comment. Make sure you comment.
Inanukia.
Hata tunafaa kuikata after some time. To the end of our video. Ndo hii keki yetu iliiva, so let's taste it together. Yeah, you see there? Cheeky. Ina slap na ni tamu sana. So guys, thank you so much for watching my video. Make sure like, subscribe, share to other people. I'll see you on the next one. Bye bye.